Hello, Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. I just had to share this beauty with you. This is another 12-inch folio, but this is my waterfall pocket folio. The difference with this is we've got gusseted sides on the outside and on the inside. The spine is the same size as my other 12-inch folios, so these sit perfectly on a bookshelf together, which is great. This one holds a whopping over 90 6x4 photographs. I've left big spaces here that you can do scrapbook layouts if you wish, but if you don't want to do scrapbook layouts and you just want to add your photographs, you can quite easily. So there's just lots of spaces. Now I said to you that we've got gussets on the side, but I've also put gussets on this side, so now we can add 3D embellishments to our folios. Let me just show you the left hand side. I'm going to fold this back. That's the beauty of having the folios. So as I've said, we've got another gusset going on here. We've got the fabulous waterfalls, so great space for landscape, portrait, 6x4 photographs, and don't forget that you can add them underneath there as well. These little frames came out the paper collection I used, but obviously every paper collection you use is going to be different. That is the nice thing. So the embellishments that you have will be different. Here again I've left a big space if you want to do a scrapbook layout, but I've done them as tuck behind spots, so if you want to use them like this to add extra photographs to your layouts, you can. So just add in a little bit of interest with what is going on. So it's just great to give as a gift. See, by adding a little bit of embellishment we can still get 4 photographs going on. Don't look at the fact the cameras are upside down, but it's fine. And then I'm going to open this way. I'm just going to fold this one back on itself. And big pocket, says waterfalls and pockets. Huge pocket we've got here. And this takes a 10 by 10 photo card. So yes, you've got inside and outside of both. I haven't stuck these down because again, once the photographs have been added, they can be stuck down. The pocket is large enough to take even more memorabilia or photo mats if you wish to. Things like the frames came in the collection I've used, but I've left them open so more photographs can be added. And you can also add photographs on the front of your pockets, and I forgot to show you, even on the back of your pockets. So don't forget, there's lots of real estate for adding photographs in this folio. This side again to my left, I've also done another large page. So I've just decorated this with some of the papers out of the collection, but you could quite easily again go back in with your 6x4s and add them to your page. But if you want to add a little bit of interest, I've done some tuck behind spots for you to add photographs. There's little spots up here for gift tags. We can slot another photograph under here. So you've got all those layers and things going on. So that is your left side. Let's now just flip over to the right side. This is the nice thing with the folio. It flips and flaps because we haven't got a book spine. So same layout again here like I've just shown you. And then if I open this out, I've got a different waterfall going on this time, allowing landscape and portrait photographs. But again, on this page alone you're going to get 20 photographs, which is a lot. Tuck behind spots again, so you can use it just to add your 6x4, or if you wish you can go on and do a beautiful scrapbook layout on there. And let's open it up for the last time. Another pocket here, this one's slightly different. So again, I put a 10 by 10 photo mat inside here, the cardstock that I've used. And then these were scraps that I had left I've made another couple of photo mats. I've done a little false pocket here on the top of the pocket. So if I bring all these out, just by creating a pocket on top of a pocket, you've got nice spaces for these lovely cut aparts that a lot of paper collections have. So they are ideal just to stick in here. So if I put my large one in the back, and again, don't forget you can put photographs on the back here too, but just by adding these little cut aparts, you can put photographs on the back, you can put your journaling on the front. I've got some little tags left from my collection I can pop in there as well. So there's lots you can add in here, and again this pocket will take extra photo mats or memorabilia if you need it to. Nice big space again here. These frames came in my collection, so I've left them open for adding little photographs, but you can choose how you want to lay it out. It all depends on the paper collection that you've used. But the one thing is, we've got gussets, but then we've got more gussets. So this means you can now go 3D on your embellishments, so you can make these really stand out. So that is my waterfall pocket folio, and you know, with all my folios, these sit nicely side by side. The size is the same, the spine is the same measurement, so these look beautiful on a bookcase, perfect for gift giving, will suit any occasion just by changing the cardstock and the paper collection. They can suit so many different occasions, so have fun with them. You can create some beautiful folios with very minimal supplies and my online workshop. So pop over to Dawn's Inspirations and check it out, and have a lovely couple of days crafting with me so you can create your own. Bye for now.